Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm on my way going to work and it's raining. It's raining, guys, and I'm on my way to work. And it's also Wednesday. And Wednesday here in France, primary school age children do not go to school. There's no school on Wednesday for children in primary school and kindergarten. So I'm on my way this morning by myself, and I'm here in the preparation for my birthday. I already did my hair. I will show you. I'm sorry for the bad lighting, but I have to have the umbrella. I protect my hair. Okay guys, this one come get one drive, my co-worker. So guys, this is what my hair looks like. This is what my hair looks like. You like it? I had to cut my conversation short this morning because I got a drive from a co-worker. So I had to cut my conversation short. Well, I'm on a little pause now at work. Maya, she had Zumba lessons. She had Zumba dance class. So I went to pick Maya. Bonjour. I went for Maya. Say hello, Maya. All of the mask.
Hello.
So I went and get Maya just now at Zumba. I know I'm going back to work. So comment down below and tell me how you think this color look in my hair. So I retwist my hair. No. I did my hair and I twist them. So this is how it's looking now. Yes, and I'm heading back to work because I just take my pause to go for my daughter. Maya. Just want to do my eyebrow now. Wow, look at my face. Wow. Do my eyebrow. Although I'm not really wear makeup. But start the process of getting ready for my birthday. For my birthday. My birthday is on the 14th. But I'll be celebrating my birthday. C'est pas aujourd'hui, j'ai pas dit aujourd'hui. She said it's not my birthday today. My birthday is on the 14th, which is Tuesday. And today is Wednesday. So next week Tuesday is my birthday. How old do you think I am? How old am I, Maya? Oh, you mean I don't know? Look.
T'as dans les 30.
How old am I?
36 ans.
I'm 36 years old.
36.
And it's also Alex's birthday. Alex was born on my birthday.
Après, tu auras 37 ans.
Yes. Alex was born on my birthday. So we'll be celebrating birthday together. I am so excited. Alex will be turning 18. I can't believe I have an older adult picnic. I have an older adult. My son will be adult. Oh, thank you, Jesus. He's the sweetest boy ever. He's the sweetest young man ever. He's not get talking. None of them little trouble, you know. Teenager picnic would argue. Alex, I do all of that. He behave himself. He work with a school. Yeah, me park like a road work. Alex, he work with a school. I don't have none of those problems with my son. And he'll be turning 18 in a couple of days. In 6 days. Can you believe it, Maya? Your brother will be 18.
What?
Your brother will be 18.
What?
Your brother will be 18.
What?
You there?
What?
Whatever. Okay, I got like in the ears. Anyway, guys, I'm almost back at work now, so I'll catch you throughout the rest of today's vlog. So that place look. Bet y'all don't know what time it is. Not even 6 o'clock yet, and look. I'm inside the car. Not even 6 o'clock yet, and look at the place. Just a little after 5, and look there. My strong, sexy. Strong and sexy.
What else?
No. What do you expect? Yeah, one commercial for the TV with the Toktel. The drink I drink, it's a non-alcoholic beer. And in the commercial they say, what do you expect? I remember if I had commercial, but you have a commercial that they say, what do you expect? Well, I'm a sexy man now. I'm strong and sexy. He might go answer me. What do you expect? Nothing less. Alright, walk like you're rich now. Walk. Show in your them, Jamal. You don't want to show it in your hand first? Mais il y a plein de neuf.
Oui, c'est pas grave, ça va faire plus.
Hold it and over the pot, Maya.
Ah, c'est bon. C'est bon. Il y en a un peu beaucoup là.
Look, one pan chair.
On va essayer de répartir un peu là. T'en as beaucoup là. Allez. Hop.
Ah, alors faut pas les mettre sur le côté.
Just throw them in there, Jamal.
Regarde, tu veux que je t'aide?
Oui. Faut mettre sur le côté aussi.
Oui.
Tu veux que je t'aide?
Wait, because it's going to turn over. Pick up this one.
J'en ai encore dans mon papier.
Pareil. Oui, mais c'est pas grave, regarde. On en replantera.
L'an prochain?
Même pas l'an prochain, pour le...
Demain?
Ou alors, on prend encore...
So why them plant that?
Ça donne de l'espérance, mais... Na gloire in Tatari. Mais il y a un gros sortant et le bruit,
Il n'y aura pas trop de CO2. Ton ami pour tout le monde.
Oui.
Et pour celui-là, je n'ai pas mis.
Oui. Good luck with
hope. You know what I mean, hope. You have hope in your life. Hope school.
Not only.
You know where is hope school? Attends. Oui.
So Matthew are planting hope to next year. You sound funny. Ah, mémé.
C'est pas drôle. Hein.
Ah, check, ça c'est ma fille.
De quoi?
Because I say that they are planting hope for next year. It's not funny.
Allez, maintenant on va mettre tout ça sous le radiateur.
So what y'all just saw is the kids and Matthew planting wheat 20 days before Christmas. It's a strong tradition here, especially in the south of France, where back in the days the Romans used to plant wheat 20 days before Christmas. Normally they plant it on the 4th of December, 20 days before Christmas. And if the wheat are green and flourish and look nice, then that means you will flourish in the new year, or that. But this is wheat of hope, and however this wheat grow, that's how the new year will happen. I don't really believe in it, but it's a strong tradition here in the south of France, so that's why they were planting wheat. So I hope y'all understand that. If y'all do that in any other country, you can go ahead and leave a comment down in the comment section and let us know if you have any Christmas tradition in your part of the world. Anyway guys, that's it for today's video. The place is all cleaned up back now and the kids are off to bed. So hope you guys remember to give this video a thumbs up, leave us a comment down below, share this video with your families and friends, and turn on that notification bell so you will be notified each time we upload a video. Thanks for watching. Bye.